Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and check the deleted messages for your Instagram account. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, you have to make sure that you have the right account logged in inside your Instagram application right here. It doesn't matter what device you are using. You could be using your Android phone or your iPhone device. So you could just go ahead and follow along. Now inside your application right here, just go ahead and click on your profile icon. And inside your profile icon, you could just go ahead and click on the three lines right here at the upper right corner of your screen. Inside, you will then be able to see the account center right here. This is basically the first setting that will pop up, so just go ahead and click on it. Inside, you have your account settings, so just go ahead and click on the your informations and permissions. And inside, just go ahead and find the second option right here, which is download your information. So just go ahead and click on it. Right here, you will then be able to see this huge button for your download or transfer information. So just go ahead and click on it. And inside, you will then be able to select on which account do you want to get the informations from. So I'm just going to go ahead and clear them all out. And in this tutorial, we are actually recovering our messages from our Instagram. So I'm just going to go ahead and highlight my Instagram account right here. Then I'll go ahead and click on next. And inside, you will then be able to choose how much information do you want. Do you want all the available information, or do you want a specific type of information? So I'm just going to go ahead and click on the second option right here. Then inside, you will then be able to see on which type of information do you want to recover. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on messages because we are actually recovering our messages right here. Go ahead and click on next. And then lastly, just go ahead and click on download to device. Right here, you will then be able to select your email account, the format file for the downloaded information, and you have your media quality. You also have your date range here. So in that way, you will be able to check the deleted messages for your Instagram account. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.